We have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best-rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Create fresh and healthful juice and vegetable-based beverages at home with the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer. Slow juicing method preserves 95% of the nutrients from fresh fruits and vegetables because it doesn't produce unnecessary heat during extraction. In only 15 minutes, your body will digest and absorb all the necessary nutrients. Powerfully press and crush fruits, vegetables, and nuts for maximum extraction. Quickly yet thoroughly extract the essence of nuts, wheatgrasses, and sprouts. The wide-mouth feed tube can juice an entire apple for delicious homemade apple juice quickly and efficiently. The powerful and quiet motor operates efficiently with maximum results. It's easy to operate. Just place fruits and vegetables into the feed tube by guiding them using the pusher. Larger items can be added to the feed tube by lifting the hopper cap and placing them directly on the plate to juice. In between juicing your fruits, vegetables, and nuts, press the reverse button to clear the masticating auger and avoid clogging. The masticating auger slowly extracts the most juice for nutritious beverages. Simultaneously, the pulp is extracted into a separate pitcher in order to retain nutrients and full flavor during juicing. When making milk from nuts, such as almonds or cashews, be sure to soak overnight. Once they are ready to be juiced, turn the juice spout to the closed position to allow the contents to self-mix prior to dispensing. The mesh-free filter can be easily cleaned, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Be healthful and stay on track with the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer.
Why we recommend this product? And these are rating for this product.